Good morning, mates. Nickaway here. I'm on the south side Bob Hall Pier, Billy Sandifer Drive. Finally starting to settle. That wind has got a lot of west in it at the minute. It's variable. It was north about an hour ago, blowing about 15 miles an hour. Now it's from the west, under 10. I'm expecting that to go round more to the east again, but it is settling. We've got a high pressure over us. It's going to force that water out, start cleaning up. My prediction is Wednesday could be a good day. It's looking like that'll give Tuesday for it to settle down a bit. It's already starting to settle, but I'm still seeing quite big sets out there. Anyhow, let's have a look and see what's going on. We've got 6 or 7 sets, maybe more, and there's some big stuff out there. Good separation, ideal for surfing, I think. Clarity's pretty good, going to put that at a 7. Weed, I'm not seeing any weed, and I fished yesterday, didn't have any real problems. There was a strong current running north to south, so we had to use our uptiding technique. That video is going to come out this week. Anyhow, we've got a low tide at 1 minute past 12, just after midday, and then another high tide at 10:50 this evening. I get people asking me when they should come down and things. My advice is avoid full moons. Tide-wise, get full moons, it's going to pull it up higher. So just avoid them. You get fronts come in with it as well. So just watch out for that one. So as I said, Wednesday's looking good. Check this drone footage out. Okay, this is Nickaway from Breakaway with your best damn surf fishing report. Stay safe, mates. Have a great week. See you on the beach Wednesday.